Fucking, yo, you know what I hate? When you're coming around that bend instead of, you know, like staying left to go over the bridge. You can't tell what lane the car is in until you get up to it. So it's like, I'm gonna ride the right lane because the car looks like it's in the left. Oh, fuck, the car's in the right lane and I'm too close to go left, so now I gotta go right. Squeeze through this bitch.
And not even at the weight of the car, the way it feels right through it, it gets light and then heavy, it's fucking nuts.
Yeah. Way Sharon. Oh yeah, you got way more acceleration, I can tell. That's what's giving you the edge right there. I saw it. I saw the acceleration.
What are you talking about?
I saw it. I saw it. He pulled off at the same speed. I saw it.
Nah, I was in a different gear, bro. You know how to drive.
You won't tell me. After I asked.
I'll tell you the secrets tomorrow. It's too late right now.
You mean later today?
Yeah, later on today.
Just take that little voice rolling. It's a day to day. Check my temperature.
It's too early for the lessons right now.
Keep my eyes on my own plate. Which you did.
This section right here slows me down so much.
Just a real nigga from the BX. Never broke the street code. With that on my grade. 3 days. Fast off. Natural bitches and I'm getting to the money back. Every fucking day. Blessings waking up.
Almost back.
Couple homies 6 feet under and a few in the feds. Pray for them like mama kids that make up to break.
Man, cruising right now though.
Now we grew apart.
You kidding me? I had 30 runs of fucking practice.
Support catch up with more shit.
Oh, okay.
So I get some good content
I
on
just
it.
thought you were quick.
You alright? You alright? Yeah. Oh, no. Wall slide? I'll take that.
I think I'm missing tail left. Which way? Right? Left, right?
Quick one. You lead.
Right, left. You saw none of that. You saw none of that.
Well, you maybe we'll back up there.
Just right here.
Let me catch it.
I'm doing 100.
Get that nigga right there.
I had to get to the highway right there.
I be going down to fight my team. If we have to sleep for the shit that I'm still know the witches.
You wanna know how fast I took that turn? 120.
You probably got more down for it, though. Yeah, I ain't got that down for
I
it.
got way more.
I might.
Oh, what happened? You saw? Should've kept you locked in.
Oh, what the fuck? This first person, bro.
I'm in third. It fucks me up way. I have to fix my camera angle because my dude's mask is in the way.
You gotta put your head, put your camera in front of your head.
Dark nights know we couldn't escape. Niggas up snake, I had to get away. I stopped sharing that food on my plate. Sensitive cause I feel it every day. Told my mama I gotta be great. Feelings restricted, feel like it's in change. Different money, but no, I won't change. God, I be going down when I fight my team. They be up
I had to turn my brightness on because there's no way in hell I'll be able to see everything out here.
Oh, man.
Well, meet you at Berkeley's. You used your handicap token.
Oh, fuck you, nigga. Nigga trying to make good friends and shit, you lost in the scene. Fuck you.
I'm looking at the northern lights right now, looking beautiful. And I need to finish this for me. Hey, yo.
Shoot, baby. Call.
I just wanted to remind you,
Call, boom.
you could have had something.